Hello everyone and welcome back to Altcoins Briefing. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing project which is known as FTID. So here we are on the website. So before going further into the video, I'm going to give you a small disclaimer that I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. So guys, here we are on the website. FTID is the world's first compliant RWA public digital bond, FTID.token, and here you can check out the details such as the running third phase. Grab your tokens before price go up. The current phase will end in almost 17 days and 18 hours, and the current price is $0.2 per token. The FTID token 001 is a financial product that simultaneously achieves the integration of three major features such as public insurance, exchange listing, and RWA digital bonds. It has been publicly listed under compliance framework, providing a template for tokenization of traditional assets and demonstration the potential of blockchain technology in large-scale asset securitization. So join them now. Down here you can check out the details. The value of the FTID token. Traditionally, such high-quality state-owned credit bonds are usually monopolized by large institutions, making it difficult for individual investors to access them. Through tokenization, they break down this top-tier asset into accessible units for everyone, allowing you to become a shareholder of core assets at a low threshold and share in the development dividends. Global attention, global launch. FTID token 001 pre-sale begins. Limited seats available. The window of opportunity won't open a second time. Act now and secure your future with the FTID token. Here is the smart contract address. It's deployed onto the Ethereum chain. So here are the stages of the pre-sale. The first stage was started on 1st of September 2025 and it ended on 12th of September. So the second one started on 12th of September and it ended on 25th of September, and the last one, which is the current phase, started on 25th of September and will end on 15th of September. You can check out the both first and second phases are completed, so you can grab it into the third stage. It's really a small price. You can expect solid returns because the product has solid use case. Down here you can check out about section. So the world's first global publicly issued digital bond backed by real world assets has gone public. Fusion Investment Holding FIH is referred here, announcing the successful public insurance of the world's first RWA, which is real world asset tokenization. So you can check out the steps of getting it. Just create the account, deposit Ether or USDT, and then participate and convert your Ethereum or USDT into the FTID token. So down here you can check out some of the more things such as the real asset anchoring, strong credit endorsement, as well as 100% compliance and innovation are some of the features. Also you can check out the roadmap. The project started back in March of 2025. RWA digital bond has gone live, and you can check out in Q4 they had done the FTID token public pre-sale, and then you will see in the Q1 of 2026 there will be launch. Also you can check out the latest news. They have been featured in many of the amazing news articles, so you can read them as well. Also you can check out they are being covered by Bloomberg as well as Binance US. So the product is really amazing, so that big companies are writing about this product. Also you can check out frequently asked questions. What is FTID? How can you claim tokens? How can you purchase it? And everything are answered by them on the website. So if any question is coming in your mind, you can directly come to the frequently asked question and check out the answers. Down here you can subscribe their newsletter as well. Also make sure to join their social media handles. For example, here you can check out their Telegram handle. The developers of the product are also part of this community, so you can directly talk to them and ask questions. Also make sure to join them on the X handle. They have just started and they have raised almost 10,000 followers till now, so make sure you follow them and don't miss any updates from them. So guys, I hope so you like this amazing and awesome product review and become part of this amazing product at their pre-sale stage, so that you don't miss this product at early stages. Make sure you do some on research as well. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I will meet you soon, so till then take care and have a nice day.